friends, my name is Mani and today we're going to learn
Infinitive clauses with you.
with our care. So this is a little bit not difficult, but it's easy, and as I've been telling in my videos, we have lots of examples in this video. Here we go.
Infinitive mit zu. Infinitive clauses with zu. The infinitive is the base form of a verb and ends in en. In German grammar, the infinitive is often used together with a conjugated verb. Depending on the verbs it follows, we use the infinitive with or without the preposition zu. We can also say that zu in this context is the German equivalent of to. There are also some particular verbs in German with which infinitive mit zu is not used. But infinitive mit zu can be used in the following cases. When we have a noun with a verb, for example, den Wunsch haben, having a wish, die Möglichkeit haben, possibility, die Absicht haben, intention, die Hoffnung haben, having hope, Lust haben, having a desire, oder Zeit haben, having time, Spaß machen, having fun. These are some particular verbs in which we can use infinitive mit zu. Further, with examples, this concept would be much clearer. The second situation where infinitive mit zu can be used is with just one verb. For example, anfangen, to begin, aufhören, to stop, beginnen, to start, raten, to advise or to chat, verbieten, to prohibit, vorhaben, having an intention or etc. Third situation is when we have the verb sein with an adjective. Wichtig sein, to be important, notwendig sein, to be necessary, schlecht sein, to be bad, gut sein, to be good, richtig sein, to be right, and many other verbs. Let's see some examples. Noun with a verb. Hat den Wunsch, Medizin zu studieren. He wishes to study medicine. Another example is wir haben vor, die Prüfung zu machen. We plan to take the exam. The verb sein with an adjective. Es ist wichtig, regelmäßig Sport zu treiben. It is important to exercise regularly. Now these were the three different examples in all the three different situations where infinitive mit zu can be used. As you can see, it is actually an German equivalent of the English word to do something. Now, some particular verbs in German with which infinitive mit zu is not used are modal verbs. For example, if I have to say, he has to work, I can say, muss arbeiten. I will not use infinitive mit zu here. I cannot use the preposition zu. Werden, for example, ich werde das Buch lesen. I will read the book. With this verb werden also we cannot use infinitive mit zu. Bleiben. Wir bleiben im Bus sitzen. We stay seated on the bus. Lassen. Lässt seine Tasche liegen. He left his bag lying. Hören. Sie hört ihn rufen. She heard him calling. Sehen. Ich sehe das Auto losfahren. I saw the car drive off. Wir gehen baden. We are going bathing. So with none of these verbs will we use infinitive mit zu. I hope the concept is clear to all of you guys. Thank you.